Today we're going to be fixing this. The old Premier bulb tester. Clip has broken on it and it's been broken for a while. I mean, it doesn't really affect its function, but we've got spare parts, so we might as well fix it. This will just be a little bonus video for everyone. Probably upload it midweek, something like that, because it's not going to be long enough to be a full video. So, the old Premier bulb tester, the catch clip's been broken on it for a long time. Again, it doesn't affect its use, but it's just a little bit annoying. Just take the battery out for now. And this is one that I got in a bundle. Although this one has a functional clip, the internals have got parts missing. If anybody's wondering, this is a Premier bulb tester. It takes a 9-volt battery, so you can test 6 to 12-volt bulbs. Anything lower than that and they'll pop. The 6-volt bulbs are very, very bright when you test them, but if you're just doing it briefly, you get away with it. Part number RBT2, which probably stands for Red Bulb Tester 2. Premier Decorations done this. Premier Decorations is still going to this day. They've got an Instagram feed. They run and operate the outdoor living company, so go check them out. So this one has a functioning catch, but one of the brass terminals is missing, so we're just going to do a switcheroo. Got a little dimple to obviously wedge it in place down the side. There's not much to these. You could probably say you don't really need it. You could just use the battery, but we've got it. We'll use it. Okay, that's the terminals in place. We'll pull this one down so it's got a bit more spring. Goes in there like that. And we're all fixed. This can go in the bin. It's no longer useful. Do a little test. This is a 12-volt bulb, as you can see. It just lights it up enough. Got some other bulbs in here. What have we got here? Got these little cone-shaped screw-in bulbs. Not done any. I've got a load of these. I've not done anything with them yet. I will do eventually. This one's blown, so we'll liberate its base. Another 12-volt, little stubby bob with 2-pronged feet. Another 12-volt. I've got these ones, transparent coloured grape bulbs. Whoa! Oh my god, I am blind. That is not even 6-volt, that's going to be even lower, so I have to be careful with them. That was ridiculously big. Oh, we've got a mixture. They look like they're 12. But anyway, bulb tester is fixed again. That's all we got for this one. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.